Hello everyone. Soil fertility. This is the magical word in natural gardening. If you want to grow your own food 100% natural way. But keeping the soil fertility alive for longer and longer time and enjoy the richest harvest, that's the main factor many people forget. So how to keep the soil fertility alive for every time? That's the subject we're going to discuss here. And the easiest and simplest one to grow our own food is the growing in pots. So I have taken pots as example here. All these 4 pots you can see lusty mint growth, right? But each one is having a different story. How I maintain this to have a lusty green and continuous growth, that's what I'm going to share here. Now we will start with from here. And we have something more here. You can see the spinach variety, the pot size. Look at the pot size, very small. How the even in this, with the power of rice water and vegetable soaked water, the tomatoes growing so nicely with so many flowers. It will give the fruits as well. Now in this part more than 15 months, I mean 1.5 years, more than 15 months. This part is with me. I'm keep harvesting after harvesting and it keep growing. But every time it will have the mint will have the competition called, like, black nightshade. Here we got, see that? This is a mustard green. So this is the stuff which is used to come in between. This is nature's gift by birds. I don't plant all those stuff. Every time I used to have this. They used to grow along with that, but still I never used to have any kind of problem having the continuous growth of mint. You can see the excels here. So okay, these sometimes used to feed the bird also. Well, this part I just store-bought mint grown in water and transferred to soil. That's all. And after that, I keep regenerating the soil with the coffee grounds, crushed egg cells, and removing topsoil. Giving aeration, and of course the power of rice water and vegetable soaked water. That's it. And here, this one, that's again the desert sand only. The desert sand, I did it a little bit different because only desert sand I prepared. Just broken one complete desi chicken egg, mixed thoroughly. Then after that started feeding with rice water. That's all. This I did almost a month. Then the soil is ready. So I again store-bought mint, brought here directly, even potted here with a few sticks, and you can see that. Again, this is close to more than 8 months. Harvest after harvest. Again, here also the same thing. Black nightshade. You can see the excels. Yeah. Again, I regenerating the soil with the crushed excels, coffee grounds, and other. That's all. Not anything more. And this is the one. Again, desert sand. See that. Okay, here what I added, you can see the long lusty growth. This also there for almost close to a year. See that? We keep harvesting, but in this I have added something called citrus peels. Small citrus peels cut into small pieces, kept in the topsoil, some egg cells, and then time to time rice water. Feeding with rice water only. That's it. No other thing. And even the deep watering, not every day something and all. Every 4 to 5 days once deep watering. You can see that it's very long. You can see that everything is growing very longer. I given many cuttings to my friends from this. So this is also, you can see that the growth. Citrus peels, power of citrus peels with coffee grounds again and rice water. But this is the one typical one, because normally people say it's hard to grow mint when you keep in the fridge for a day, and if you cut the every leaves. This one to disprove that. This is the desert sand, coffee grounds, rice was water prepared all the same way. So I give time to time the aeration. This is the knife. Don't think that it is for that. It is for the aeration purpose. Regenerating the soil. This is the reason why I have kept it here for you guys to show. You can see that. You can see the soil. The knife kept for just to regenerate the soil, so that the coffee ground excess goes into the soil nicely, and then the rice was water, the feeding with rice was water soaked with orange peels also given here. This is the sand I prepared almost, desert sand prepared almost a month, and in this, to trial that the fertility of the power of soil, I have brought store-bought mint, okay, and then I removed all stems again, all the leaves from the stem completely, because I kept in the fridge for 2 days. Even then removed all the leaves. Normally we used to say don't keep the mint in fridge so that you have a higher success rate. To prove the soil fertility, I have done this. God's grace, I got succeeded, because I planted along with this 3, but out of 3, 1 came out nicely. In this process, what I did, I just removed all the leaves from the stem. I chosen one strong stem. That's it. And then I kept it. This is after 2 days keeping in the fridge. After 2 days keeping in the fridge, and then directly, without keeping in water, the strong stem kept in this soil. The power of soil fertility. Look at that. This is a one single stem. See that? This is the one, and second, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here on 10, almost 11. In this, look at the size stick stem. See, out of this, if I cut this alone, if I plant it, it will again come bushier. The one stem, one stronger stem is given this much growth. So this is the proof that how to keep the soil fertile. Then we can enjoy the amazing result. See that? This one is super amazing. Look at the stem. Very strong in it. It's all around 11, 12, and see, this is the runner. It's coming up. So this, when it's on the ground, slowly it will take root. Then again it will extend its extend to the other area, the entire area, so that you can see this way. See that? So the mint is one of the most people, it's one of the toughest one to grow. This is what I hear the feedback. They do say it's a magic and you do something, but again, to give the confidence to you guys, I have taken this video to prove that the power of soil, poured with rice was water, soaked with orange peels, soaked with banana peels, soaked with onion garlic peels, and eggshells, coffee grounds. These are the only components used in this all. See that? Not one. If I show one part, you might think that, come on, that's okay, same. Luckily, it came out. To prove, I have chosen 4 parts here, all kept in the same place. Everywhere you can see the lusty growth. These are nature's gift. Basically, that's a black nightshade and mustard green. So regenerating the topsoil is the most important factor. And again, I want to show that this one not properly even planted. Okay, so this other's maturity. I just kept just to see that how, because you can see that this all excels. I don't have any pests. This maturity is growing nicely. And here you can see that how many flowers are. Such a small part. So the soil is fertile enough, and of course I do deep watering. That's very important factor. The roots goes deeper, and it's giving a better result. Thank you. Looking forward all your success stories again.